If your Ford Edge is blowing cold air on one side and hot on the other, stuck blowing out the wrong vents, or you just replaced a blend door actuator and the temperature still won't cooperate, this is the fix you're looking for. It's a climate control reset, and the best part is, it works across the entire first-generation Edge, from 2007 all the way through 2014. No tools, no scan tool, no trip to the dealer, and it takes about 2 minutes. Let's get into it. First, let's quickly cover the symptoms, so you know this is actually your problem. The most common one is split temperature, where one side blows hot and the other blows cold no matter what you set. You might also have no heat at all, air that refuses to switch vents, or a fan that seems to ignore your commands. All of these point to the same culprit. So here's what's actually going on behind the scenes. Hidden behind your dash are small electric motors called blend door actuators. Their job is to move little flaps that mix hot and cold air and send it to the right vents. When the system loses its calibration, and that can happen after a dead battery, a part replacement, or just a random electronic glitch, those actuators forget their stop points. They no longer know where fully hot and fully cold actually are. This reset forces the climate module to wake up and relearn those positions from scratch. Now, one quick note before we start. On the 2011 through 2014 models, you'll have the flat, touch-style climate panel. On the 2007 through 2010 cars, you'll have physical buttons. The look is different, but the reset steps are exactly the same. Now let's do it. Start with the engine off. Press the start button twice without touching the brake. That puts the car in the run position, with the engine still off, and the electronics powered up. If your Edge uses a key, just turn it to the on position, again without starting the engine. Now press and hold the climate control power button. While you're still holding it, press the defrost button. Keep both of them held for a few seconds. You'll see the lights flash, and you may hear the blend doors clicking and sweeping behind the dash as the actuators cycle through their full range. That's the system recalibrating. Now release both buttons and press the climate control power button one more time to lock it in. To be safe, you can give it a second press. Now let's verify. Start the engine, set your temperature, and check both sides. Cold should be cold, and hot should be hot. If the button reset didn't take, there's a second method. Disconnect the negative battery cable for about 15 minutes. This fully drains the climate module and forces it to recalibrate the moment you reconnect and turn the key on. When the system powers back up, the actuators will run through their sweep automatically. And if it's still not right after both of those, then the actuator itself is likely worn out and needs to be replaced. Remember, a reset only fixes calibration. It can't revive a dead motor. The good news is the part is cheap, and on most of these you can reach it by dropping the glove box. And that's it. If this got your air working again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.